are they? Yes, there are some elephants here, one big and one small. So take a closer look, what is it? And also the big one is the elephant mother, the small one is the elephant baby. Elephant mother teaching the elephant baby to use its trunk to splash water. Besides, the right side is the elephant brother. He loves to take shower and take a long time shower already. You can see that there are many wrinkles on his skin. Can you see that? So take a look at the elephant brother. Also the last one, the last elephant here. Who is it? I think it's the elephant father. He loves to splash water. Be careful. I don't want to be water splasher. Be careful. So let's pass them quickly. Be careful. Be careful. The people sit on the left hand side. Be careful. He may splash the water on you. Oh, it's just a trick. Hey, can you sit down, please? Sit down. Yes, sit properly. So look to the right hand side. This is the temple room here. You can see that there are this big spider on the left hand side. One big spider, two big spider, and three big spider. And also the last one on the left right hand side is the last one is the fourth one. The side. There are golden temple in our right hand side. This is the temple guard. It's also the elephant guard program nature. And there are some king cobras here. However, the king cobras is also poison as the spider, so be careful. Okay, here it comes to the crocodile pond here. Can you see that? So first, become quiet first, and we can notice that their eyes are even closed. So I believe that they are still sleeping, so we don't just look them up and pass through them quickly. And also, here is the campsite here. It's high science friend Mr. Foster Professor's campsite. However, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gorillas bring into his home now. Oh, the big one shows. Be careful. It's so dangerous. So let me take you to my favorite place. It is very peaceful here. There are the African fowls here, and there are zebras, giraffe, and elephant. Do you know why the zebras are not straightened? Because they look pretty silly in polka dots. Besides, there is a second most dangerous elephant on the left hand side. So who is the world most dangerous? It is the one on the right hand side. He is the world most dangerous elephant now. So besides, okay, we can see that there are some hippos in the river right now. And also there are one on the left hand side. Hi, say hi to him. He loves to bite people with his ugly teeth. So we can see that there are 5 travelers on the tree now, as they are the last traveler in my boat trip. However, they don't listen to my safety rules and get off the boat. So the trap here cannot get back to the dogs. So please listen and just sit properly. Okay, don't leave them. Okay. Besides, there are some skulls stuck on the bamboo stick here, which means we are entering the headhunter territory now. The headhunter loves to take off our hair to be the home decoration. So please be quiet, don't let them discover us, and also press our hair tightly to don't let them to take off our hair, okay? If you're ready, then we can go now. Be careful. Just be quiet. Place here. So can you see that? Do you have anyone to get hurt by the poison dart at the last moment? So if don't, that means you are safe now. If not, please don't take the dart back to your home as a souvenir, because the dart is also poison. Okay. Besides, we can see that the front is also our dog already. We are going to get back to our dog now. So are you guys ready? Okay, ready. Then we can go now. Yes. So 3, 2, 1, go now. We can see that there are small water splash in front of us. Yes, however, it will be return to a big one. Be careful. Yes. We come to the wrong place here. This is the forbidden can of God, which is the living room for the fire god and the water god. However, they hate the intruder, just like our god. Only feel angry and get mad now. So can you feel that our god is shifting out to the other side? Oh, no, that has many fire. The fire just getting it now. So remember, don't put your hands and arms outside the boat. Otherwise, you may be barbecued. Careful. They are very, very angry. Okay, here's the sound now. Whoa! Okay, you guys are safe now because just the right moment, the water god splash out many water to save you. Okay, so can you hear some sound in front of us? What's that now? There is the baby elephant that you met him at the beginning of our trip. He comes to give us a warm farewell to all of us. So let's say bye bye to the baby elephant together. 1, 2, 3. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye. So we are ready to get back to the dock right now. So before we get back to the dock, please check that you are all seated and be okay. It's you are good now, so we can get back to the dock now. Okay, if you like this trip, you may remember my name is Karina. If not, just remember my name is Banana. It's fine. Okay. When we get back to the door, please listen to my words when I say that the boat is fully started and you may get off the boat. Okay, let's count for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 seconds together. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.